Welcome to our channel Maths Hub.
Hello everyone, this is Pratibha. Today's topic is linear equations with easy sums, and this is very important to solve the higher grade sums. So the first one is 2x plus 3 is equal to x plus 11. So variables at one place, so constant should be in the other place. So 2x minus x is equal to 11 minus 3. So 2x minus x is x, and 11 minus 3 is 8. So x is equal to 8. So the next one is 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 2x plus 4. So we have to open the brackets. 3 into x, 3x, and 3 into minus 4 is equal to 12. So that is equal to 2x plus 4. So variables are in one place. 3x minus 2x is equal to 4 plus 12. So 3x minus 2x is equal to x. X is equal to 4 plus 12 is 16. So x is equal to 16. So the next one is 7 minus 2x is equal to 3x minus 8. So variables are in my first place. Minus 2x and minus 3x is equal to minus 8 and minus 7. So minus 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 5x. So is equal to minus 8 minus 7 is equal to minus 15. So minus and minus cancel. 5x is equal to 15. So 5 it goes to that side, means it will be divided. So x is equal to 15 by 5. X is equal to 3. The next one is 5 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 17. So open the bracket. 5 2s are 10x minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 11. So variables at the one place. 10x minus 3x is equal to 17 plus 5. 10x minus 3x is 7x is equal to 17 plus 5 is 22. So x is equal to 22 by 7. The next one is x by 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. So constant at one place. So x by 3 is equal to 9 minus 5. X by 3 is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. So x is equal to, when it is divided, goes that side, means multiply. So 4 into 3. X is equal to 4 3s are 12. X is equal to 12. Watch my videos daily to learn step by step and gain strong knowledge from the basics. Thank you. Today's question is, find the value of x. X plus 12 is equal to 15. So answer in the comments.